SpongeBob Toys, let's go! Ready, guys?
Hey!
Hey!
Let's go!
Wow, this is green color. Wih, look friends, this is character SpongeBob SquarePants.
I'm SpongeBob SquarePants.
Okay, nice. And this one character Miss Puff.
Hello, I'm Miss Puff. Beautiful.
So beautiful, guys. Okay, yellow color. Wow, oh my god, this is character Mr. Krab.
Mr. Crab, money, money. Mr. Crab, money, money. Mr. Crab, money, money.
Amazing, guys. And this one character Plankton.
I'm Plankton, guys.
So nice. Purple color. Wow, this is character Patrick Star.
I'm Patrick Star, guys. I'm Patrick Star, guys.
Nice, good guys. And this is character Squidward.
Squidward, Squidward. Okay.
Very, very nice. Okay, blue color. Wow, Gary the snail.
I'm Gary, guys.
So cute. Wow, wow, friends, this is character Sendy.
Look, friends, I'm Sandy.
Very nice. And this last white color. Oh yeah, this is character Mermaid Man.
I'm Mermaid Man, guys.
Very, very cool. Okay, character SpongeBob is complete, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.